Subtracting Numbers, Grade 4, Vidura College. Hello my dear students, it's me, your teacher. While you are at home, don't you like to learn a new mathematics lesson with your teacher? Now, it's time for it. Dear children, today we are going to learn about subtracting numbers. Children, can you see this picture? Yes, it is a boutique. And can you see fruit seller is there? He is someone. He is a fruit seller. He had 256 mangoes in his boutique. Amani went to the boutique and bought 128 mangoes to prepare mango juice. Children, now you want to find the number of mangoes that are remaining with Saman now. First of all, can you tell me how can we find the answer? Yes, very good. You want to subtract. Children, before solving the above sum, can you tell me why do we need to subtract numbers? Yes, we need to subtract numbers to find out the difference, to find out balance, or to find out what remains. Well, children, let's find the answer now. Children, first of all, you have to place the digits according to the place value as shown. And keep it in your mind to write down the subtraction mark as shown. Okay, let's start to subtract now. Children, first of all, you want to start subtracting numbers from the units place. Oh, children, can you deduct 8 from 6? No. Let's see what we can do now. Okay, children, as I told you, when we are going to subtract numbers, first of all, we want to line up the numbers as shown. So, children, we want to start subtracting numbers from the units place. Can we deduct 8 from 6? No. So, we want to do a thing like this. We want to borrow one set of 10 from 5 sets of 10. After that, in units place, 6 became 16 as shown. In the tens place, 5 became 4 as shown. Now we can deduct 8 from 16. What is the answer, children? Yes, 8. As shown below the line, you want to write 8. Next, move to tens place. In the tens place, we want to deduct 2 from 4, not 5. Answer is 2. As shown, you want to write it down. Next, move to hundreds place. In hundred place, you want to deduct 1 from 2. Answer should be 1. As shown below the line, you want to write down 1. Okay, my dear children, now it's time to do an activity. You will see some sums in the next slide. You have to do the sums in your personal whiteboard. Question number 1. Subtract the following numbers. Children, you want to copy down these 5 sums in your personal whiteboard and start to solve the sums now. Okay, children, did you find the answers? Okay, let's check your answers now. First answer should be 213. Second answer should be 481. Third answer should be 181. Fourth answer should be 517. Fifth answer should be 199. Well, my dear children, let's look at this scenario. Namal is a seller. There are 567 cookies in his shop. If 166 of them were sold, I am going to ask from you, how many are left now? Children, can you tell me how can we do this? Yes, we want to write down the statement and solve the sum. Let's write the statements and solve the sum now. Okay, children, let's write down the statement for the above sum now. First statement should be number of cookies in Namal's shop equals 567. Second statement should be number of cookies sold equals 166. Third statement should be number of cookies left. Now you want to subtract 166 from 567. So the answer should be 401. So, number of cookies left equals 401. Children, when you are writing statements like this and when you are solving sums like this, keep it in your mind to write down the subtraction mark as shown. Now here is another activity for you. Take out your personal whiteboard and try to find out the answers for the following sums. Question number 2. Solve the following sums by writing statements. Part 1. 567 passengers were traveling in a train. At a particular station, 234 of them got down from the train. Now children, you want to find the remaining number of passengers. Part 2. 535 rolls were brought to a canteen to sell. By the end of the day, 23 rolls were remaining. How many rolls were sold on that day? Let's check your answers now. Question number 1. First statement should be number of passengers who were traveling in a train equals 567. Second statement should be number of passengers who got down from the train equals 234. Third statement should be number of passengers remained. Now children, you want to deduct 234 from 567. Answer should be 333. Second question. First statement should be number of rolls brought to sell equals 535. Second statement should be number of rolls were remaining equals 23. Third statement should be number of rolls sold during the day. Now you want to deduct 23 from 535. Answer should be 512. Children, keep it in your mind when you are solving sums like this or when you are writing statements. Keep it in your mind to write down the subtraction mark as shown. Well, my dear students, today we learned how to subtract numbers. I think it's enough for today. I hope you have learned something from my lesson. You can download the relevant student note from the Vidura College official website and complete all the exercises now. We will meet soon. Until then, be safe and please keep on studying. Thank you. Have a nice day.